Dry well. Dry well.
Perfect.
What's going on, Tony Ronnie's? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. Well, I'm back in the kitchen about to make dinner. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get dinner started. Alright, today I'm gonna be making hamburger helper. Right, hamburger helper. I'm gonna post another video where I made some hamburger helper with some regular hamburger helper, if you get what I'm saying. But the kids ain't like that too much, so I'm gonna make tonight the regular hamburger helper that I normally would make. So I got the hamburger helper here. Well, I got the ground beef here. I got the pot for the mac and cheese. So we're gonna be using Velveeta mac and cheese. You're gonna want to use the shell. So I already washed my hands, so I don't want to get no smack. I'm gonna throw the ground beef in the pan. Go beef. Alright, we go. You ain't gotta get up. Every time I cook, this way here. Every time I cook. I'm gonna give him a piece of meat. I know he wants some. He loves ground beef meat. He would die for ground beef meat. Give him some more. Is that good, Ricky? Look at the floor, bruh. It's so good. He was licking the floor. All right. They don't like a lot of meat in a hamburger helper. I do. I like a lot of ground beef in my hamburger helper, but they don't. Let me wash my hands real quick. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna. As y'all can remember, the last video I told y'all about the cabinet problems that we was having with the cabinets taking up so much room. Look at it again. Look at that. That's right by the stove, bro. Look. Rico, I'm not giving you no more meat, man. Here. Yeah, barking at me because he want more meat. It's all gone, Rico. All gone. Alright, guys, let me mix this meat up. Alright guys, you can add as much seasoning as you want, because you know I like to go back and just add just a little bit more, or what I think it might need a little bit more of. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of this onion and herb. Cause it smells so good. Salt-free onion and herb. That is really good. It smells so good. But yeah, you can go back and add whatever you want to add a little bit more of. You know, I try not to make my food so salty, so spicy. You know what I mean? So mix that up. You want to stir your mac and cheese so it don't stick. Yep, so that's almost done. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, couple of videos, please go check out my last couple of videos. It'll give y'all an idea of why all these boxes are in my kitchen. I got no space. Look behind me, look. All that's gonna get cleaned out. I don't even want to show this area. Like, I don't even want to show that. That's like so cluttered. These cabinets are getting taken out, and we're gonna the new cabinets are gonna be white. These are the new cabinets we getting. Y'all can see the white cabinets. They're gonna be white, so all this is gonna be white cabinets, and I cannot wait. It's so cluttered. It's so cluttered here. Like, it's getting on my nerves. Let me start this up. You want to cook it to where as though you don't see no more red here. You know what I mean? You want to cook it till all you see is brown. Because when you put it in the pot with the mac and cheese, it's still going to continue to cook. So you don't want to overcook your meat. So you want to make sure all the pink is gone, or not gone, well, cooked. Then you can get the mix in. So I stir it up good one more time. This is almost done. Yeah, this is almost done. No more pink, really. See? No pink. So that's almost done. This is done almost. Let me test the noodles out. Yeah, that's almost done. You don't want to overcook your noodles. Overcooked noodles. Never good, ever. So I'm gonna turn that off. I got tea in the zinc because, like I said, my kids love tea. The tea here. I still gotta add sugar to that. We're gonna get the drainer like this. Put that in there. Move that out the way, because we're gonna be draining this in a bit. Well, actually now, because this is done. So let me set y'all up. Damn it. I like to rinse out where the just rinse this out. I mean, that's just what I do. I rinse it out and I put it back in the noodles back inside. Cause yeah. Alright. So we rinsed it out. We poured the mac and cheese back in.
Noodles.
I mean the noodles. Now we're gonna grab the ground beef and drain the ground beef. No! I dropped some. My zinc clean, don't judge me. Alright. So we're just gonna drain that and add a little bit for this video purpose because they don't like a lot of meat. They don't like a lot of meat. So
It's too much.
I love a lot of meat. Alright. Let's burn that side. Remember that. So we're gonna set this on the side for a second. Alright guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to this. Add some milk. And we're gonna add some butter. Not too much butter.
Perfect.
So that's why you want to put it back on the burner because it'll stay nice and warm and hot. Give it a stir. With your burner off, yes. With your burner off. Okay, the cheese melts, yeah. And you got extra cheese. Cheesy goodness. Just a little mesh up. And there you go. And make sure all the cheese is melted. Yep, there you go. That's how you make hamburger helper, guys. You always want to put like four extra slices of Velveeta cheese in your hamburger helper. It's so nice and juicy and cheesy. I don't make dry hamburger helper. No, not in this kitchen. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. Dry where? Dry where? Dry where? Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button. And I'll be back with another video because I got some y'all wait. Just wait. I got some other good stuff I'm gonna start cooking for y'all. So stay tuned. English, god damn it. Stay tuned, alright? Peace.